Hello viewers, you're welcome to this video. Today, I want to share with you 8 major questions examiners of PhD thesis ask themselves. 8 major questions examiners of PhD thesis ask themselves. So what this means is that if you are a PhD student and you want to submit your PhD thesis for examination, you need to ask yourself the following questions. If the answer to each of these questions is yes, then the probability that you are going to pass is very, very high. So the first question is it well structured and organized? The thesis you have written, is it well structured and organized? Yes. If the answer to this is yes, then you ask themselves the next question. Is the work consistent and integrated? Is it consistent and integrated? You see, PhD, you can't be bringing things which are not necessary. So it should be consistent and the work should be integrated. Yes. Things that are related to the work should be brought or should be taken care of. Don't bring things that are not related to the work. So the work should be consistent and integrated. Now the next question is the work free of errors? Is it free of grammatical errors? Is it free of typographical errors? Then, if the answer to this question is yes, then you move to the next question. Is the literature well reviewed? Because when you are doing a PhD, you have to review the literature well. You should do what we call extensive review of literature to know the gaps that are existing in your field of study. So that when you know the gaps, then you will try to fill those gaps, or yes, you try to fill at least a gap. Now, they also ask themselves this question: are the findings good? Are the findings good? If the answer to this one is yes, then they will ask themselves: is the thesis convincing? Is it convincing? Is it something that you can say that, oh, the author deserves a PhD? Now, if it is convincing, is it publishable? Is the work you have done publishable? Can you get some papers from it? Now, so what this means is that if you have already published some papers from your work, then it's a plus for you. It's a plus. So when you are submitting your final thesis for examination, and let's say I have published, say, 2 papers in peer-reviewed journals, then it's a plus for you. It means that your answer to this one is yes. Straight away is yes. It's a plus for you. Now, when you see that the work is publishable, or you can get some articles from the work, you can publish some articles on the work, some papers on the work, then the last question you ask themselves is this: is there any significant contribution to knowledge? Yeah, those of you who have watched my previous videos on PhD, yes, PhD, you need to make a significant contribution to knowledge. If you are unable to make a significant contribution to knowledge, there is no way you are awarded a PhD. So, if the answer to this one is also yes, then you can confidently say that the author deserves to be awarded a PhD degree. Yes, so viewers, PhD candidates, anytime you are submitting your PhD thesis for examination, ask yourself these questions. If the answer to each of these is yes, then the probability that you are going to pass is very, very high. Thank you very much for your attention. For more of this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shamalai Jr. Thank you very much.